Now, we are going to be combining our rational fraction exponents with all of the other rules. But remember, what we learned earlier is still true. When we're multiplying, we add the exponents that are on the same base. So first I'm going to deal with my coefficients. I assume a 1 out there, so 1 times 3 is just going to be 3. Then I'm going to write down a and b, and then just organize the exponents. I see a has a squared here and 3 halves, so that's going to be 2 plus 3 halves. And the b's also have a 3 halves and a 2, so b is going to be 3 halves plus 2 for its new exponent. Luckily, those are basically the same problem, so I just need to do 2 plus 3 halves. So I need to think, I need the same denominator. This one already has a 2, so how can I rewrite the number 2 with a denominator of 2? Well, 4 divided by 2 is the same thing as 2. 4 halves plus 3 halves is 7 halves. So I can rewrite this as 3a to the 7 halves, b to the 7 halves. Our final step would be rewriting this as a radical. Notice, they both have the same denominator, which means these are both going to be square root problems. So I can put both a to the 7th and b to the 7th underneath that square root because they both had the index of a 2. If those were different, I would need to write two different expressions.